All right, everyone. I told Deep Agent to plan my YouTube channel. It gave me 50 video ideas. You know how YouTube experts tell you to post more but never tell you what to post? I get sick of that. So I made an AI agent plan my entire channel for me. I told it who do I talk to, what I sell, and it spit out 50 video ideas in one shot. No more guessing, no scrolling TubeBuddy for an hour. You're going to want to watch this video. So stick around, watch this video. I'm going to show you the prompt I'm using. I'm going to go over to Deep Agent and execute my my 50 video ideas, my plan for my YouTube channel. And if you want to check out Deep Agent for yourself and grab my 20 free AI tools, links are going to be directly below for your convenience. So feel free to check those out. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go show you the front page of Deep Agent. Then I'm going to take you into the actual dashboard, which is right here. I'm going to show you the prompt I'm using, which is right here. And the prompt is going to be right here. And this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be going over this in a second here. We're going to paste this into Deep Agent, and I'm going to show you the kind of output it gets. Let's go back over to Deep Agent real quick. And this is it here. Now you can create, what you're going to want to use like agents for is to do using the 80-20 rule. You know, you're doing the tasks that are going to produce the most amount of money and concentrate on those, the big tasks. And that's what these are for. You know, Deep Agents, Manus, things like that, AI tools like that. They're going to save you, hundreds of hours in some cases. They're going to save you hiring people to do the job for you. These are going to do all this stuff for you. So that's what the power lies in these tools. You can create apps, PowerPoints, chatbots, AI workflows, videos, do deep research, data analysis. A lot of stuff, if you're using like ChatGPT, for example, it's not on agent mode. You're not using the agent through it. You're not going to get these high-value tasks done. Yes, it's going to save you time, but this is actually going to build full apps, landing pages, websites, you name it. An agent can do it. So that's what separates agents from normal large language models that aren't on agent mode or geared towards agent. That's not their main task really. That's why you want something like this in your back pocket, because it's going to save you a lot of time. It's going to get the hard work done. That's going to cost you a lot of your precious time, and it's going to help you make more money and get more content out to the masses. So with that being said, this is their front page. This company is based in San Francisco, in California, obviously in the United States. Love this tool. I've been, agent, been using it for the last, probably 3 months. It's probably been longer than that, between 3 and 6 months, I'd say. I haven't looked when I started my subscription, but I use it all the time, pretty much daily. This is it right here. So like I said, if you want to check it out, feel free. Links below. If not, watch the video, and you can also use like a tool like Manus as well. That's another agent that's pretty good. I like this one better, but it's going to all boil down to preference. And then here we go. We're going to go over to next. We're going to go over to my prompt, and then we're going to head back to Deep Agent, and I'm going to show you what it creates. This is the prompt. Find my next 50 AI plus marketing video topics. You are my YouTube research assistant. I run a channel called Jay's AI Marketing Lab, AI for marketers, affiliates, and course creators. I make videos about using AI tools, Deep Agent, ChatGPT, Abacus, Funnel. This is one of my apps I made. I'll show you that at the end. Manus, to do real marketing work. Plan content, fix funnels to get clicks, but no sales. Humanize AI posts and get offers ready for promotion. I want you to research and organize YouTube video topic ideas around AI agents for marketers and AI doing 80-20 tasks. So I can record a bunch of videos in this niche. And then it goes through directions here. And then you can see, you can kind of read the screen, so I don't got to go through all this. But what we're going to do is take this prompt, and we're going to copy this. And we're going to head on over to my good buddy, my good AI tool, sidekick here, Deep Agent. And then we're going to paste this in. This is Deep Agent right here. You can always tell because you can go into the regular mode, which is this. This is a regular mode. So you can know the difference if you do sign up for it. test it out for yourself. It's only like $10 to get started. It's pretty cheap. But you'll see this. This is a regular mode. This isn't agent mode. That's where there's buttons here. Click that button. And how you know you're on agent mode is you're going to see all these guys right here underneath you. So you're going to paste your prompt right there. Click enter, that arrow. Now Deep Agent's is going to be thinking. It might ask me some more questions. And then we're going to go back to ChatGPT. And then we're going to get ChatGPT to answer the questions for you, and it is. Before I start researching and organizing your 50 video topics, I want to make sure I'm aligned with your vision. 1, research depth. And do you want me to research what's currently trending in the AI for marketer space on YouTube? It's asking about competitor analysis, keyword trends, gaps in the market. Yes, I do. That'd be a yes. Output format, asking you what output you want. Do you want a PDF, HTML? It's asking you all those different questions. Tool focus. You mentioned Deep Agent, ChatGPT. I always say this name wrong. Abacus. It's Deep Agent, but that's the name of the company. And Manish. So the video ideas lean heavily on Deep Agent. It's asking different questions, so make sure it gets everything right. We're going to copy this. We're going to head on back over to ChatGPT, and then we're going to ask ChatGPT to answer these for us. Can you answer these questions from Deep Agent, please? And we're going to wait right here. And it's going to answer the questions. So we're going to sit here for 1 second, and it's going to answer the questions. Then we're going to paste whatever it answers. We're going to go back over to Deep Agent and wait for it to do its job. Yeah, I remember those. Deep Agent basically asks for housekeeping. We're spit out the full post. And then you got a fact stuff, call to action, target audience, waiting, output format. Okay, so we're gonna copy this. We're gonna go back over to Deep Agent. We're gonna paste this in, and we're gonna hit enter. Actually, this is a wrong. Actually, this is a. Did it get? Let's do this one more time. Sorry about that. I don't know if I pasted something wrong. Here we go. It didn't really answer this correctly. So we're going to try this one more time. Answer these questions. We'll keep it real simple. Going to hit paste. Hit enter. And we're going to wait for it to answer. I think it had a hallucination there because when I read that, it wasn't really... Okay, here we go. Cool, here's what to tell Deep Agent so it stops asking, just does the work. I think ChatGPT's having a bad day. Research depth. Yes, do a light trend competitor pass first, but stay inside AI for marketers. Use that to prioritize ideas. Then it gives you the answers for this. And I'm going to say, yes, I want the keyword blue ocean ideas, the best topics with the most traffic, we'll say. The best topics with the most traffic. Let her write it. Then we'll take this, we'll go on over, and I'm going to show you how Deep Agent works. So bear with me a second. Thinking. And this is, we're going to come back over here in a second. I got too many windows open. We're going to close that one. All right, here we go. We're going to put, here's your answers. Here's your corrected answers. Go Go back over to ChatGPT. All right, here we go. Now I gave a much better prompt. You can go through and kind of read it. And then we're going to go back over. Paste this in. It should be good to go. And we should be, it should start working. It might have another question, but I doubt it. Usually it asks one time and it pretty much goes to work. So what we're going to do now, you're going to watch on the screen. It's going to start thinking. It's processing, so it's not going to ask a question. So we're good to go. It's going to be doing its work. So it's going to be thinking right now. And I'm going to show you. It's going to switch screens and kind of show you what it's doing, the process of what it's doing as it's researching all your video ideas. Here it is right here. If you look on the right of the screen, right side of the screen, you can see how it's all creating videos. Video topics, doing its research. It's researching everything, then it's going to put everything together and create the 50 video topics, ideas for my YouTube channel. So a content calendar, basically, of good topics to talk about for my YouTube channel. We'll see how good they are. They usually are pretty good. So it's doing all the research to find the best topics for me to make videos around. And we'll see what happens here. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to pause this video. It's just going to take a few minutes to go through. It doesn't take long, but I don't want you guys to sit here and wait for this to get done, but it'll be about, usually for something like this, it'll probably be about 5-10 minutes. We're going to pause it. I'll come back, and then I'm going to show you the results here. So 1 second here. All right, it's getting done here. So I'm going to show you, as you can see, it's working right now on the right-hand side of the screen. It's coming up with the 50 ideas. It's on number 31 now. 32. As it's going through, you can kind of watch on the right hand side of the screen here and see as it works, does its magic. And then what it's going to do is it's going to deliver the content in different formats, and then it's good. You can save it to your computer and you're good to go. So now we're going to go over this in a second here. We're at number 48 here. It's coming up with some good topics, you can see. This AI tool writes better sales copy than most freelancers, and it's faster. I tested 5 AI tools for funnel building. Only one actually works. Deep agent versus ChatGPT, which AI actually makes you money. That's a good topic. So you can see how good the research is, and it's actually doing more than it did before. And it's actually going into top 15 hot ideas with high traffic and low competition. And as you can see here, you got more 15 hot ideas. And here it is right here. And it's going to deliver all this to you in different formats. It tells you everything it does. Your 54 blue ocean video topics are ready. I've created a comprehensive content roadmap with 54 blue ocean video ideas. You've got 5 content buckets, as you can see there. Every idea includes YouTube, traffic potential, high, medium, and the niche, competition risk, high, medium, low, demo angle, money path, how it monetizes, special features, 15 hot ideas marked for highest opportunity, high traffic plus low competition, and clear demo. So you got all these good ideas here that it's came out. And this is done. And then you could download it right here as a PDF. You just click on the PDF, download it, and you got it on your computer saved, ready to go. But this is it. As you can see, it tells you each one. Traffic potential medium, competition risk low, demo angle, show ROI calculation for each tool based on time saved, clients won, or revenue generated. Money path. Tool recommendation that drives best return on investment option, affiliate or partnership. Abacus AI funnel builder, can it really replace ClickFunnels? Traffic potential medium, competition medium, demo angle, money path. Free AI tools versus paid, which ones are actually worth the upgrade? Gives you all the different angles, money pass, and then there's top 15 hot ideas at the end. But you can see as I'm going through here, it gave me a list of videos, which I'm going to go through. And now I know kind of what to center my next video around. I can go through all, there's probably 65 of them. Pick out my favorites. and I've got a list of videos that I can make next. Instead of like thinking about what I'm going to make, I run out of ideas. This does that for me. This does all the planning, the brainstorming. It's looking for, stuff that people are interested in that's easier to rank for. Well, some are harder to rank for, but you go through here and look for ones that are easier depending on what how big your channel is and all that stuff. Since this one's a new channel, I have a main channel, and then this one you're watching this video on, is a new channel. I have to build it up, so I got to go for some with lower probably competition, so I build up the channel a bit. But this is it right here. This is cool. This is how you use a tool like Deep Agent or a tool like Manus, and there's other ones out there as well. This is my favorite, to build a YouTube content strategy in literally minutes. So that's that. And what I'm going to do right now is just, all you do is click the PDF button, and that's in PDF right now. Look how cool that looks. And it's got different formats. And now all I got to do is save it to my computer. Boom, it's done. All set to go. And I can also come back to Deep Agent, find where I last used it, and I can look this up again. So I got different ways of accessing this. But now I got all my video angles planned for probably the next 3 months at least. Good to go, maybe longer than that. So that's how you use the 80-20 rule to use agents, AI agents, to do the high value tasks like researching topics for your YouTube channel, for your blog, whatever it may be. Just doing all the thinking so you can do the strategy. And then it also, like I said, you can build calculators, you can build apps, you can build full websites, you can build landing pages, you can build anything with Deep Agents. And that's their value. Their value is going to save you money. If you got a team, you're hiring people, you don't have to hire those people now, depending on what they do, obviously, if you need them or not. But if it's something that Deep Agent can do, obviously that's going to save you money there. You know what I'm saying? And it's going to save you as a marketer a lot of time, so you can get these high value tasks out, and literally what would take you days can now take you literally, an hour to do. And you can get a lot more content out, a lot more awesome tools out, or whatever it is your business is centered around, and save you a lot of time. So if you want to check out Deep Agent for yourself, the link's directly below in the video description box. I'm going to leave a link to my 20 free AI marketing tools. You're going to want to check those out. They're awesome. I've got my main tool is a storytelling email generator. It's a professional prompt. It's an AI output. All you got to do is copy and paste, and you can use these emails to, get more subscribers, keep people engaged, all that good stuff. A ChatGPT prompt generator. I got stuff for VO to create videos better, to get prompts to create videos better. ChatGPT prompt generator. On and on and on. I got a bunch of them. Bunch of AI tools. If you want to access those all for free, link's going to be directly below. It'll be the first link directly below. And with that being said, if you have any questions, shoot me a question in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.